shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty. Yo rebe, yo rebe, yo rebe, yo rebe. Okay, shorty, 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 okay, shorty. Yo rebe.
What's up, my JB squad? It's your girl Kyla Deshay. Listen, today I am back at again with another video, feeling happy, blessed, and beautiful. And I'm actually going to be taking you guys with me to go grocery shopping. This is kind of like a weird video, but I've kind of seen it going around YouTube and stuff as far as like healthy eating and lifestyle videos. And you guys love my vlogs, so I thought, hey, why not take you guys with me so you guys can see what I eat on a daily basis. So I'm going to Trader Joe's. I have to go get ready. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm wearing my jacket. I'm wearing some joggers and stuff, and just my backpack with a crop top. But we're about to head out now and get this shopping done. Okay guys, so I'm basically in the store right now. I'm trying to figure out really what I want. I got my cheese, I got my bacon and everything like that. Or something like this. I think I might get that, honestly. I'm just winging it, honestly, and trying to choose. Alright. Oh, cranberry apple juice. I have to get like avocado and stuff like that. Is that my mom? Up here. Mom. What are you doing? What are you doing here? Guys, she popped up on me.
And did you get prices?
She popped up on me, didn't even let me know. You didn't even tell me you were coming.
Oh, you're doing something. Is that the kind you usually get? That's different. Is it?
I thought this was the same.
I thought, oh no, the blood orange. Okay.
Yeah, that's it, the blood orange, the same.
Cilantro salad dressing. Do we want to try it?
What's the calories?
It's not about the calories, remember. It's about the
fat.
kind of calories.
Isn't it like sugar and stuff?
The fat is low. The sodium is not bad. There's 0 sugar. So this seems like it might be a good choice.
Yeah, so that's a good choice.
But we'll also go with that as well.
That one I went to try, but it was old.
It was old. So
and I'm not sure if it was like, because it had like a weird smell to it. Okay, videos from over there. I'm just going to be doing different.
Is it on?
Yeah, yeah.
Well.
Okay guys, so we are back home and I'm with my mommy.
Hi to JB.
Okay, so basically,
Did I say it right?
Yes, you did. So I'm gonna show you what we got. This is like a little haul and stuff. Little corn chip tortillas. I absolutely love these, especially with guac or something like that. They're really, really good. Got some almonds with like chocolate and pecans and all that. Cranberry juice right here, which is real cool.
And so this is organic cranberry juice, so it has a little bit less sugar in it.
My mom's favorite coffee.
Yes.
It's
Just gives more of a crisp taste. Well, you don't know,
I don't know because I haven't tried it personally, so I don't.
It's a fresh. Yes.
You got 2 of these?
We got 2 of everything because you don't share.
That, first of all, that's not true. Okay, she be hogging the stuff for real.
Vodka sauce, not vodka as in vodka. It's a type of sauce for your pasta.
I was gonna say. I was gonna say vodka. Spice. This my mom knows everything about spices, so I don't know.
Everything but bagel sesame. This is a really good seasoning for, of course, bagels, but I also sprinkle it in my pasta with a little bit of feta cheese and some broccoli and tomatoes. It's really good.
Next bag. I don't know why I just did that, but next bag. Okay, we got the colorful carrots right here. Colorful carrots.
Those are the frozen kind. They have the fresh ones there.
Oh, they do? The fettuccine Alfredo pasta. Let me show you.
Yeah.
That's the pasta. It has, for total fat, 15%. And then for sugar, does it say sugar on here?
Well, it's a little bit better than the, I don't want to name any names, but the boxed pasta.
Yeah, by like, yeah, or
it's
the.
a little bit better. It's not completely healthy, but it's a
this
healthier
one's not
choice.
one of the. This is probably like one of the most unhealthiest things that we got.
But it's a healthy, not unhealthy. It's just a healthier choice.
Okay.
For us.
I'm trying to go vegan, guys. Like where I just have fish, right? Where you just have fish, you can have cheese and all that. You just can't have meat.
That vegan, no, I think
Vegetarian?
vegan. Yeah, we're vegetarian.
Vegetarian,
We're
okay.
gonna try to get rid of the chicken and the red meat. And
Yeah,
just
yeah,
do fish and vegetables and
So I'm
vegan. I
gonna try
think is rough.
Yeah, I can't do that.
No
I need
dairy.
Yeah, I
no,
need my dairy.
Yeah.
I need my dairy. And then I just picked this up at Trader Joe's, the spinach lasagna.
You're on your own.
Honestly, I love spinach personally, and lasagna I love too. So I'm kind of like, I'm ready to try this. I'm thinking about trying it maybe for dinner today. The mac and cheeses that you can get at Trader Joe's. Just something quick. Sometimes we just don't feel like cooking and we just really want.
Sometimes we do that as a meal with a little side.
Oh yeah,
salad.
with the side like of a salad or something like that. Chicken breast. The tenderloin breast.
Chicken
yeah.
breast. Chicken strips.
It's chicken strips. But these are so good, especially when you toast them like in the oven and stuff for like a few. How many?
I did them in the oven. I don't microwave them for about 20-25 minutes, and they're perfect.
I tried to do the whole microwave thing, and it really it was nasty. I really did not like it. These are my mom's. I don't.
I love them.
These are so good. Just like for a fast meal or a fast snack, you know, like I really feel like they're cool. I do microwave these. They're better when you put them in the oven though, or in a toaster oven. They're definitely better. But if you just don't feel like really dealing with that and waiting, then I would recommend putting it in a microwave.
And all of this food that you're showing is gonna last the two of us for over a month.
Over a month. We have guys, this
Usually
is like our
we
heavy
just do
shopping.
$100 run, and that lasts for about
like 3
weeks.
bags or something like that. We usually do. So I have, and then this, oh I love these, the steel oats oatmeal. This here is turkey bacon, the turkey bacon that I eat.
Yeah.
We're really excited to make this for real. Like this looks kind of scary.
Maybe you can do a story once it's
like
finished.
a story on my Instagram. That reminds me, Mama, if you have not followed my Instagram, make sure to follow it. Let's scoot over, give it some room. Over here, okay? Make sure to follow me on my Instagram because I have like a whole bunch of good stuff on there. Frozen bananas. These are so good.
Really good.
Frozen strawberries. These are mine. My mom has the bananas. Normally I get the bananas, but today I just wanted something different because I snap on these sometimes in the middle of the night.
We try to do them for dinner.
Exactly, for like a dessert. But most of the time, gosh, it just got dark. Most of the time, perfect. I snap on these in like the middle of the night and stuff. I'm trying to get out of that habit. We got a second one right here.
Because you don't like to share.
She keeps saying that, but I really do be sharing, guys. Steel oats, we showed you that earlier. That's like the oatmeal packets and stuff like that. What is it? The Icy bowl?
Icy bowls.
Icy bowls. They come in like packets. They have organic strawberries, organic blueberries. They have organic icy
bananas, coconut,
preserve or something like that. Puree. I'm sorry, guys, I can't. Now, what is this, Mama? My mom just
that
it.
is turkey bolognese sauce.
Oh, these are my favorite, guys. These are like what I snack on when I'm at school or when I snack on when I'm editing videos. These are banana chips. Guys, I absolutely love these. I had to get two too because I go through them like crazy. So these are the banana chips that I really like. I would recommend those.
I thought one was mine.
Oh.
See what I mean? She don't like to share.
No, that's not even. That's
And
not
amnesia,
true.
selective
I
amnesia.
really thought they were all mine. But okay. Pepper jack cheese. Who in the world? I need you guys to comment down below if you like pepper jack cheese in your grilled cheese.
I'll pass.
Like for real. Like I don't
That'd
know.
be a hard pass, Alex.
No, for me, I love pepper jack cheese in my grilled cheese, or just pepper jack cheese to eat by itself, like when you're hungry and stuff. And then my mom got
Those are my
these-
favorites. The Colby Jack sticks.
I don't know.
Really good for lunch break. When you're starving and you just want a little something. I just throw that in my lunch bag, and they're really good for that.
Asparagus, get our greens up in here, because we are going. Should I tell them about the health segment?
Oh yes, I guess we can do a little reveal, not a lot.
Okay, so basically we're going to be doing a health segment together. We're not sure what we're gonna name it yet. Maybe you guys should put some like
Oh, that'd be nice.
names,
Some suggestions.
yeah, some suggestions down in the description box below so we could know. But honestly, yeah, we're gonna be doing a health segment together based off of our healthy journey, you know, our dream body or whatever you want to say.
My dream body is to get rid of the middle. So
Yeah.
what is yours?
Mine is honestly to tighten up my definition in my middle and get a little, you know, back here, get a little booty, you know what I'm saying? So that's honestly my goal. So we're gonna do that whole segment. We're gonna be doing cooking on there, showing you how we're gonna cook this food and stuff. We're gonna be showing you like our daily life through our exercise and what classes we're gonna take.
Ways to make your life easier. So we will cook for
Even mental health.
2 or
is gonna
3
be on there
days and show
probably.
you how to package that.
Yeah.
Remember, so that if you want to cook a big meal and freeze it and microwave it later, we'll show you tips in reference to that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Our mango.
Oh yeah,
We got the mango chunks. These like
those
the
are
little-
new, so we haven't tried.
We
them.
haven't tried these. We got the greens right here. Some more greens, baby spinach. I didn't even know you got that. It's the
Ezekiel bread.
Ezekiel bread.
And they come in the little packets, so it's even good for breakfast in the morning if you want to take it for lunch. And then Kai, how were you doing yours?
Our tomatoes. It's upside down. So yeah, that's it right here. And then you got the ingredients right here.
Yes, so that's why I got
The
it.
hummus and Peter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely will be doing more videos like this on my channel.
I can't wait for the health channel.
Me too. I'm really excited for the health segment.
It's basically going to show you our journey. Me with losing weight, and Kyla DJ with working on her sculpturing, I'm thinking.
Yeah, sculpturing. That's because I don't need.
Just
I don't need
a
to
healthier
lose
way to
anything.
live.
Yeah, definitely.
Sharing all our tips with
And
you
I can't
guys.
wait until we honestly like share like our journey and what we're
Yeah,
gonna be doing
that's
with you guys.
exciting.
Like you guys don't even know how much is actually coming. And I'm just happy with the people that have been here with me since KDH Nation. And I'm also happy with the people that stayed with me when I took off for that whole summer. So I definitely appreciate that you guys are still watching me. If you guys want more videos like this, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button so you get notifications when I post. And also comment down below with any video ideas or any things, foods you want me to try or anything like that. And I will see you guys on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.